Mini cheesecakes are not only a great idea for parties, but if you just want an easy, ready-to-grab dessert, you can make these ahead of time and freeze them. To get started on the crust, combine crushed graham crackers with brown sugar and melted butter. Blend the mixture until it is able to hold its shape in your hand if you squeezed it. You can add more butter as needed. Now, start placing a layer of graham cracker mixture into the bottom of your mold. Be sure to pack it down firmly, especially around the edges. Now place in freezer while you make the filling. For the filling, whip heavy cream and set aside. With your mixer, combine mascarpone cheese and cream cheese. Now add in sour cream, powdered sugar, lemon juice, lemon extract, and lemon zest. Once ingredients are combined and the mixture is smooth, you can now fold in your heavy cream. Now it's time to fill the molds. Level the filling and remove any air bubbles. Once frozen, pop them right out of the mold. You can keep them plain or add toppings if you like. I like to top mine with lemon curd, whipped cream, and fresh lemon. All ingredients will be listed in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.